Hello, welcome back. Okay, this video is going to give you the basic step. And we're going to take it from two angles. We're going to do an open position and a closed position, all right? So the basic step is going to give you a little bit of different look, and we're going to go 4 different angles on this, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. So from the side, 2-hand hold position, and you're going to start with your left gentleman side to side. And triple step, rock step. Cool? Remember, when you rock step, make sure you don't go all the way down too far and do this big rock step. Just kind of change weight, come right back, okay? So here we go with this angle. Ready? And triple step, rock step. Nicely done. All right, from this angle. Ready? And triple step, rock step. Cool. So again, you're not pushing or pulling here, all right? So from this angle, ready? And triple step, rock step. Excellent. All right, now that was the open position. We're going to go into the closed position just to give you a look of what that feels like, okay? All right, I'm underneath where my right side and my left side is a little bit more closed in together. You'll see that from a different angle. Ready? And triple step, rock step. Nice. So again, this is more of a progressive type of step. Ready? And triple step, rock step. Nice. One more time from this angle. Ready? And triple step, rock step. Hoorah. All right, here we go. From this position. Ready? And triple, rock step. Hey, toward the camera. Here we go. Let's put our back toward the camera one more time. When we go to here, remember, this hand is on this position. We're a little bit closed in, and hands down front. So always remember that when you're doing this, you're going to have probably a closed or open position in this type of dance, okay? Now, what I want you to do now is I want you to go practice this and do it. You can do it separately or together, but also remember, if you need more detail, go to our private lesson style videos. It'll give you a lot more kind of content on that, all right? So go have fun, come on back.